Oh, hi, hello there. You want to come in and see our homeschool space? Well, I would love to have you come inside. Why don't you come on in? Let's go look at my homeschool space. Well, hello again. So this is our dining room. We do school in the dining room. Isn't that neat? We don't have a homeschool space set aside for homeschool, but we just do it in the dining room. It's not always clear. Sometimes there's things on the table, but this is what we do. Hello again. This is my corner. Sometimes the dog sits with me in my corner. We have a cart where I keep all my kids' stuff. I have my oldest kid's books here, my middle son, and my youngest. Then I have all my teacher manuals down here where I can reach at it easily when I'm sitting at the dining room table. My shelf is even big enough to hold my planner and the kids' pencil box. I have a pencil box for each one. It's nice and handy. Oh, hi. Also in my corner, I like to post my routine. We have our daily schedule here. It tells me what we're doing and what time. It's really nice. We also have some daily affirmations to read to remind us of who we are. And we have our adventure bingo. It's nice. Oh, hi, you're still here. I have to tell you, today's video is in collaboration with Toni at Our Thrifty Homeschool. She has a really great channel and I think you're gonna love her. You'll also need to check out in the description box below the playlist link to all the other homeschool moms who are sharing their homeschool space. So don't forget that. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Did you say, Ashley, what about your math? Well, let me tell you about our math. We keep our math books down here on our bookshelf. I have my oldest math here, my middle son's math here, and my youngest math right here. That way we do our math downstairs in the basement. I keep all the manipulatives down here so they're all in one space. Like this, or this, or this, or this. Also right here, this is where I keep my teacher guides, so I know where they are. And my daughter puts her finished work right here. She does her math on the computer. Isn't that nice? This is my bookshelf, where we have all our books. We have history books, science books, literature books, and some more of my teacher's books here. This is more for me rather than for the kids, but they can come get them here whenever they need it. Thank you so much for joining me today on my tour of my homeschool space. I hope this has inspired you in your homeschool as well. Have a great day. Okay guys, in all seriousness, hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Ashley, and here on my channel, I love to talk about Charlotte Mason-inspired homeschool, affordable homeschool resources, and biblically based curriculum. So I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to check out Toni at Our Thrifty Homeschool and subscribe to her if you haven't yet. She is wonderful, lots of great tips and really fun. Love watching her videos, and I think you're gonna love her too. Plus, if you're interested in other homeschool moms and their homeschool room tour, you'll wanna check out the description and the playlist. Nope. You're gonna wanna check out the playlist in the description. Do it in the right order, okay? And in all seriousness, I hope this playlist shows you that there's not one size fits all. Maybe some of us have a schoolroom that we use, some of us in this playlist don't. And I've tried the homeschool room thing, but it doesn't really work. We like just doing school all out in the open. We do a lot of it in the living room, but we keep our stuff here in the dining room. I would love a nice, maybe bigger cabinet that can close, that nobody can see anything. But for now, we use the cart and it's just fine. So use the space you have. Don't think about and long for the space that you don't have or want. And you can definitely do this in a cheap way. So I got this cart for $5 at a yard sale, I think, speaking of thrifty homeschool. And I'm not the type of mom that wants all my kids to have their own desk. That doesn't really work for us either. We use the couch, we use the dining room table, we use the car, and we go outside when it's a nice day. That's what we do for our homeschool space. I'm not super big into like the decorating and having a fancy room. That's not really me. And maybe you can know that it's okay not to have that. Maybe you're one of the moms who is more like me. But I'm excited to see all the other ladies on the playlist who do have rooms and do a good job of decorating and all that. Can't wait to watch them. Yeah. Hopefully you know that the personality in this video wasn't really me. It was just for fun. So I was just being silly. I'll be back this week with a video on my second graders' schedule and routine. So hopefully you can join me for that one soon. All right, see you in the next one. Go find his joy among the noise. Or this. Oh!